So today I'm coming to you with some of my favorite siblings. Girls, say hello.
Hi.
All right, this week we're talking about siblings. So girls, tell me how it's going.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah. So being home all the time with your siblings can be rough when these are your only friends that you're playing with. So some days can go great and some days are kind of and that's pretty normal, isn't it? So this week we've got some activities for you to practice being kind to siblings. Girls, you want to give them some examples from their page?
Give a compliment. Play your siblings' favorite game. Offer help. Decorate an empty box for your siblings to fill with special news.
Okay, there's some good ideas. So what do you guys think? Is this something that would be easy for you to do or maybe challenging?
I don't know. Kind of. Some it's easy and some are hard.
Okay. Why is it hard being kind to a sibling?
They're annoying. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Sometimes those other kids that you're with all the time can really get on your nerves, and that's pretty normal. So here's a week where you can practice showing some kindness to those siblings. Now, what about our friends at home that maybe don't have siblings?
My parents and neighbors.
Yeah. So there's other people you can be kind to, but if you have siblings in your home, I want you to make sure that you're doing it for the other siblings because it's often hardest for kids to show that empathy and kindness for other children that they're very close to. It's much easier to show it for our parents and our neighbors and grandparents. So, all right, what do you guys think? Is this something you guys can do at home this week?
Yeah, I think so.
You can see how thrilled they are to show kindness to one another. So sometimes that tells me that's a skill we really need to work on. All right. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Bye.